And now we're coming up on the Alfred Reagan place. You can see back in there. I got fishing regulations too. Apparently you can fish here. Open year round. Artificial lure. I'm just going to go right close for you fishers. And you can pause it and have a look at it. Bob was here too. Good for Bob. And now we'll take a walk up the rocks. Apparently, you threw out a bunch of rocks and made a place. Again, it's probably been moved here, I'm not sure. It's the only painted cabin in the area. Right. Finding out information. My information's coming. Is this the only painted cabin in the area?
Yeah, on this trail, yeah.
On this trail. There might be others painted, but on this trail it's the only one that's painted. I'd say paint, this was probably done later on, wasn't it? Painted. The thing is, paint back in the 1800s would have been available.
Oh, yeah.
It'd have been available, but it wouldn't have been cheap, I don't figure. I mean, it'd have been cheap, but not, you know, work all day for a quarter. And it's probably $1 for paint or something like that, who knows. You can look it up on Google, ask Google. Google knows everything. But anyhow, here's the little house. I like the yellow and green door. That's kind of weird. Rock steps. Is this the one that has an upstairs?
Yeah.
I think it does. Yellow underneath the porch. Another yellow and green door. Zoomed in a little far. No, I ain't. And the fireplace. Sorry, I moved a little fast. There's a window. Proper English. There is an upstairs. I'm gonna send y'all up there to look at it. We'll do a 360 with the camera, and then we'll find steps probably. All right, what'd y'all see? I ain't been up there yet and I ain't watched the video, so I don't know what's up there. Huh? I haven't looked in the front room yet. Let me look in this front room real quick. Those holes are coming in. The other fireplace. And all their doors are green and yellow. I like that. Lets it stand out. Window's getting kind of bad there. Needs a little touch up. So I'm going to say that middle lock door is the door that leads to the upstairs. So if you're coming sometime and you got a skeleton key, don't bring it. They probably don't put you up there. Oh, and it opened. It's not locked, it just ain't opened. So we will go up here and look. One of the steps is missing. Careful, careful, careful. And the floor is a little bowy. We'll stand on the steps and take a quick look around.
Ain't that neat? Look at that color.
That's a beautiful chimney.
I wonder why they separated it like this.
I don't know. All right, I'm gonna go down so Lorraine can look.